So I'll be showing you how to limit comments on your Instagram posts. So when you have a post on Instagram and you don't want too many comments, or you don't want just anyone commenting, you can actually limit the people who can comment on your post on Instagram. So go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From your profile page, tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Comments, tap on that, and then under Comments, you should see the option Block Comments From or Allow Comments From. Okay, so let's tap on Allow Comments From. Now by default, this is set to everyone. So by default, anyone can comment on your Instagram post, especially if your account is public. But if you want to, you can limit comments to only people you follow, so that only people you follow can comment on your post. Or you can limit to only your followers, so that only people following you will be able to comment. Or you might also want to select people you follow and your followers. So only accounts that you follow each other will be able to comment if you select that. For me personally, I want to select your followers, so that before someone can comment on any of my posts, they need to be following me. And that's a quick way of limiting comments and also trying to get followers as well. And that is basically how to limit comments on your Instagram posts. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.